Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Shankar. In this video, we are going to see about the implementation of binary tree. First, I just created the class name as node, then def init self comma data, self dot data is equal to data, self dot left is equal to none, and self dot right is equal to none. Now I just given the binary search tree as the class name here. Then I just inserted def init self dot root is equal to none. Then we just needed the insert function, so we are using def insert here. Then self node data, if self dot root is equal to none, this is the parent creation. Self dot root is equal to node, then data, then elif node is equal to none, new node is equal to node of data, then return new node. Else it just comes for leaf creation here, leaf creation. Else if node dot data is greater than data, node dot left is equal to node self dot insert node left data comma data. Elif node dot data is less than data, node dot right is equal to self dot insert node dot right comma data. Else print duplicate value, return node. Then we just need a in order, so we are using def in order self comma node. If self dot root, if node, if node dot leaf left is equal, if node dot left, then self dot in order of node dot left, then print node dot data comma end, then data. Then if node dot right, self dot in order node dot right, else prints tree not created. We just needed the pre-order function here, so we are using def pre-order self comma node. If self dot root, if node, print node dot data comma end. If node dot leaf left, self pre-order, then node left. Then if node dot right, self pre-order node comma node dot right. Else it just prints tree cannot be created, tree not created. Then we needed the post order function here, so we're using the def post order. Then if self dot root, if node dot left, self dot post order node dot left. If of node dot right, self dot post order node dot right. Then print node dot data and then else it just prints tree not created. This is a binary tree is a search tree. So we are using BST is equal to binary search tree. Then print output, and this is a menu driven program. So we are using print 1 for a search data, insert data, 2 to in order, 3 to pre-order, 4 to post order, and 5 to exit. And if we just choose one, just goes for the data, and this is the user input here. Int input, enter the data to be inserted. It just shows the output. Then we just insert the value to be inserted here. Then if we just select 2 in order, it just shows in order and then the end value, and it just prints everything. And if we just go for 3, it just goes for pre-order, then it just shows the end, then just print everything. If it just goes for 4, it just goes for post order, and then it just post the value here, and then just prints. If you just 5, if you just press 5, it just breaks the loop and just shows see you later. If you just any other number rather than 1 2 3 4 5, just shows just it's an invalid choice. We can just run the program here. Hmm. It's just asking enter your choice. I'm just going for insert a value, insert data. Just asking what is the data to be inserted. I'm just giving it as 11. Then just asking for again. I'm just giving this one again, and I'm just inserting 22. And again I'm just inserting a value. I'm just giving 33 as the value to be inserted. Then I'm just giving for in order, just shows the in order value 11 22 23 is the in order value. and I'm just going for pre-order here. Pre-order, it just shows the pre-order value 11 22 33, and I'm just going for post order here. Post order just shows the value of the post order. Post order, it just shows in the reverse 32 22 and 11. So post order, and if I just give 5, just exits from the loop and ends the program and just shows see you later. Thus the binary tree is implemented and coded and verified in order, pre-order and post-order from all the different test cases. Thank you guys.